Change how cell data appears with available number formats like dates and percentages in Excel. Start by selecting the cells you want to format. Under Home, select a format from the drop-down menu. To see all available number formats, select the down arrow. From the Format Cells window, you can add percentage symbols, currencies, and zeros after the decimal. Want to change the date format? You can also right-click the selection and choose Format Cells from the menu. Select the date option you want, then choose OK to apply it.